Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. Today, I would like to share with you an absolutely rookie mistake, total dumbass move that I made this morning. You can probably tell by my voice, I'm not super happy about it, and I'll tell you why. Okay, we are looking at the NASDAQ futures on a 2-minute time frame. I typically do an open range breakout on this, and if that were the case, let me just draw the line so it's super clear. This candle right here, this red one, this big red one, was the opening candle. Okay, so that would be the bottom of the range. Let's put another one in for the top of the range, which would be here. So most of you know an open range breakout is like the simplest trade ever. It's just when it crosses this, which is the high of the range, you go long. Or if it crosses this, which is the low of the range, you go short. All right, well, let me tell you what I did this morning. I forgot, because I clearly wasn't paying attention, that I had changed my main trading chart to a 1-minute chart. I did this yesterday, and then I had saved my workspace and just woke up this morning and I was like, cool, like ready to go. Didn't even look at any of this stuff because, like, why would it have changed? It's always the same, except when it's not. So if we change this to a 1-minute time frame, you'll see what happened here. Let's scoot back to the open. And in the process, we're going to see what I missed out on. This whole business is like my favorite thing ever that can happen. And I missed it because I had already hit my max loss. Okay, so here's what I did. In this case, remember, this is the lower range of the 2-minute candle. In this case, I was thinking I was looking at a 2-minute candle, but no, I was really looking at a 1-minute candle. So instead of wading through all of this and then going long up here, which granted, would not have been a huge trade, but at least I wouldn't have got stopped out so many times in a row. Because I was thinking this was a 2-minute candle, this big, huge red one. And then look, I hope you can see this, but this second candle, which is really only the second minute, not after a full 2 minutes, it did go lower. So what did I do? I went short because, hey, like this would be the open range breakout. And we're literally talking about, let me just annoy myself even more. This was 304.75. Oh, that was 303.5. So we're only talking about 1.25 difference. And that made all the difference in the world because not only did I do that once, okay? So again, like this is where I was looking. So we peaked down here. I shorted it, got stopped out. The next one. So now this is only 3 minutes in. And by the way, if it was in the right place, I would have not taken that trade because it didn't surpass that bottom of the range. Oh, so I did it again. And then whatever else happened, I was just annoyed. And I eventually realized that I was looking at the wrong chart. I had already hit my max loss, so I just stopped for the day. And then this beautiful thing happened, and I was not in it. So needless to say, it's not a bad idea to have a checklist when you open up your stuff in the morning, even if you do this every single day, like I do, Monday through Friday. And, things should be as they were before. Sometimes they're not. So anyway, it wasn't the end of the world because I did stick to my max loss, but just wanted to share that with you today is sometimes some really dumb things happen. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.